Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about breaking this picture into three different parts using the intersect tool. And I mentioned there was a way to do it with some gapping, so you could actually lay one on top of the other one and not have the line between them. We're going to use the knife tool. And in the knife tool, I've got set up an overlap of 1/4 of an inch width between the object. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it 0.5 for the video. You've kind of got to get your picture selected, and then I brought in some indexing lines to make this help me make it straight. And if you'll just go down, you'll go down straight down the intersection. Now if you watch, that picture is broke off, but look, we've got a 1/2 of an inch overlap to that next photograph. So really and truly, if we use this corner and set it up, there's a 1/2 an inch overlap. So if you were going to put these photos together, you would have a 1/2 inch overlap to allow you to be perfect without a jagged edge or an edge there. And then you would just do it for the other part. So you could use the knife tool, and you could set that setting on anything. I've got it set on overlap, gap. You can make it a gap, but I've got it set on overlap, 1/2 inch. This is your freehand smoothing, but we don't need that because we're using a 2-point line. And really, I think you need to have the picture selected to use the knife tool. Whoop, I'm so used to getting the virtual Sigma delete key. And then start off the page, your print, and go downward, staying on that guideline. And now it broke that other one apart, and there's a gap between there. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.